how to change system sound theme to Galaxy Clam Fun Reader on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, scroll down and click on System Sound. After click on System Sound, click on System Sound Theme. After click on System Sound Theme, you will see Galaxy Clam Fun. It is if you want to change Fun, click on Fun. If you want to change Reader, click on Reader. If you want to change Clam, click on Clam. If you want to change Galaxy, click on Galaxy. So you will change System Sound Theme from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change system sound theme to Galaxy Clam Fan Router on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.